Then we have the next part of speech, that is a verb. A verb is a word or a group of words which express an action or state of being or having, and it is used in a sentence to modify subject. That means it gives us more information about subject, that what is the subject, what the subject is doing, and what is happening to the subject. So we have verbs such as eat, drink, walk, run, jump. Then we have verbs such as clean, turn on, turn off, and minimum. So verb is a word or group of words. Verb is a word or group of word which expresses an action or state of being. And examples are eat, drink, run, catch, jump. So verb is a group of verb is word or group of word which express an action or state of being. Again, it is used to modify subject. It gives more information about subject. Then we have another part of speech, that is adverb. So adverb is a word which gives us more information about an adjective, verb, and another adverb. The word which gives us more information about an adjective, verb, and another adverb. But while using adverb and adjective, don't confuse, because adjectives gives us more information about noun and pronoun, whereas adverb gives us more information about adjective, verb, and adverb. And we have adverbs such as quickly, fastly, slowly, quietly, daily, everywhere, nowhere, somewhere. Quickly, fastly, slowly, daily, everywhere, So these are the some examples of adverb that we use in a sentence. Then we have next type, that is conjunction. So conjunction is a word which joins two or more than two words, phrases, clauses or sentences. The word which joins two or more than two words, phrases, clauses or sentences is called as conjunction. And we have conjunctions such as and, or, but, because, since, yet, unless, till, until. These are the some examples of conjunction. Or, but, because, since, if, though, although, till, whether, while, for example, we can use these words in our sentences like tea or coffee, Sita and Gita. Then he missed the bus because, he did not come because he missed the bus. So in these sentences we have used words like and, or, but and because. So this is called conjunction. Then we have the next type, that is preposition. So preposition is a word which is used before noun or pronoun to show its relation with the other words in the sentences, and it is used in the sentence to show its relation with a time, place and position. So we have preposition such as and, on, in, into, below, under, over, beside, between, among. Preposition is a word which is used before to show its relation with other words in a sentence. We have examples such as in, on, at, between, below, over, among. So these are the examples of preposition. Then we have the last part of speech, that is interjection. So interjection is a word which is used to show our sudden feelings and emotions, and we have interjection such as hurrah, wow, what, whom, who. These are the examples of interjection. Interjection is a word. Interjection is a word used to show our sudden feelings and emotions. For example, hurrah. For example, hurrah. It is used to express our joy. Then we have wow. We can say that wow, what a nice dress. Then we have what, then oh. So these are the examples of interjection. So in this way we have learned 8 parts of speech, that are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, conjunction, preposition, and last one is interjection. Thank you.